there's a common term called MERV, which dictates where a filter's ability to filter should be at. In a household setting, one would think that the higher the MERV rating, the better. The problem is if you get too high, now your equipment itself isn't designed to draw the air through that system. We have to remember that there's little tiny, air holes in there that allow the air to get through that, and the more debris that forms on that, the harder it is to pull the air through. So, in essence, you're making your entire system work exponentially harder than it needs to. We don't like to go above MERV 11 when it comes to an actual filter in your house. Whenever we start going above that, we are increasing we call it static pressure on the system. A lot of the high allergen filters are, as high as 16. And you are going to damage your HVAC system if you're trying to pull air through that.